Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. I am Akash, and today I will show you how to change your domain name servers in easy steps. To change the name server, we have to log in first. Here enter your email address and password to log in your account. Now click on Domains. Now click on Active. Now go to the name servers. From here you can change and update your name servers. I will change the name server of the IntroNexus here. We copy this name server 1 and update it here. You have to do the same in name server 2 also. Now click on Change Name Servers button. Our name server here has been successfully updated. This process takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. Till then you have to wait. If you are facing any problem in updating nameserver or your website is not working, then you can take support from IntroNexus. Thanks for watching this video. IntroNexus. Speed that you deserve.